This is the Hamilton 4992B with a 24-hour dial and the hack feature. See in the back, the stuff written there. I don't know if you could see it. Government numbers. And this is the insides. And to stop it with the hack, you just pull up on the crown and then push down to start it. That's also how you change the time too. Then you have to push it in. And you can see the way it works on the inside. Stop. Start. It's a nice movement. GCT, I'm not sure what that means. Greenwich Central Time? I don't know. I'll have to look it up one of these days.